It was a friend, somebody from the UK, who told me that there is a bill pending, and he was talking about the Comprehensive Sexuality Education Program, CSE, no? And it's an international program being promoted primarily by the UNESCO and the UNFPA and the UNICEF that will hypersexualize children at a very early age.
Nagulat na lamang kami na meron silang gustong i-push na comprehensive sexuality education na matindi ang magiging impact sa aming mga anak at sa aming mga tahanan.
Ngayon, bakit hindi napansin ito sa house, no? Kasi an act to prevent adolescent pregnancy or teen pregnancy. Di ang ganda-ganda, makatao, mapagmahal sa kapwa, iisipin mo. Pero pag binasa mo doon, pag active sexually, hindi na pwedeng sabihan ang parents.
The details and the particulars are very, very shocking. You're going to be really aghast.
0 to 4. Talaga nakalagay doon, early childhood masturbation. Magugulat kayo, 0 to 4.
Ituturo sa napakabatang mga anak natin. Pagkatapos, nariyan pa yung ilang mga paksa at ilang mga aralin patungkol sa anal and oral sex.
Ang nakalagay doon, pag 6 years old na, they will be taught how to experience their body and pleasure through their 5 senses. I was trying to play it out in my head. How are they going to do this in a classroom setting?
They're going to talk about it. Supervised by who? Only by the teacher, a stranger.